Hello guys, today we will study the whole chapter of fractions. Now, firstly, we take the meaning of fraction. A fraction is a way to represent a part of a whole, and the whole can be an object or a collection of objects. For example, there is a circle, or you can say any ball. If we cut it from the center, we take it into two parts. Then each part is called half. This one is half and this one is half, and we whole quantities represent by 1. Then half part, if we shaded this half part, then the fraction of this shaded part is half and unshaded part is half. So now take another example. In this figures, there is a triangle. If we shade this part, then and we divide it into two equal parts, then this shaded part is equal to 1 by 2, because the whole part is divided in two parts. And if there is a rectangle and we shade these parts, now how you will calculate which part is shaded? Then you can do like this. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have 12 equal parts and shaded part is 1, 2 and 3. Your shaded part is 3, and if you want to take out the unshaded part fraction, then 12 is the whole part and unshaded is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then your unshaded part is 9 by 12 and shaded part is 3. In this circle, you can take the example. Now here is the shaded part of this circle. Circle is divided in 4 equal parts and shaded part is 1. Then your shaded part fraction is 1 by 4. You cannot take like this. You cannot take the fraction of this, because this is not in equal parts. If we divide it in equal parts, then you will take the fraction, otherwise you cannot take out the fractions. Now numerator and denominator. Numerator is the upper part of the fraction and denominator is the lower part, or this part shows the taken part of the whole, and this is the whole part. Now represent fractions on number line. We have example 4 by 7. If we have to show in the number line, then you can say here always the number will be start from the 0. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because we have 7 in the denominator and this shows the whole part. Then you can write here 7, or now you have to take out the 4 by 7 fraction. Now this is the first part, then 1 by 7. This is the second, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7. You can write here is 1 also, because when you cut, or it shows the whole part. Then this is your 1 by 7th part. This is your 2 by 7th part. This is your 3 by 7th part, and this is your 4 by 7th part, and this is, here lies the 4 by 7th part. Now tell what part shows by P in the number line. What is this part shows? Now you will have to write here 0. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have total 8 in the numerator. And you will have to count 7. Your whole part is divided in 8 parts. Or you can write here 8, or here 8 by 8. 1 or 8 by 8. Now this one is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, or 8 by 8, or you can say 1. then this P shows the 5/8 part. Now write in lowest form or simplest form. We have to reduce in to take out the lowest form or simplest form. We see both are coming in the table of 2. Then we either you write like this, or you directly divide like this. Both are also both are even numbers, and you can also divide by 2. Then you can easily cut out like this, 2 6 into 9s. Now you can see both are coming in the table of 3. Then again you cut it like 3 2s, 3 3s. Then your lowest form is 2/3 or simplest form. Now equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are when take an example 2/3. When we multiply it with 2, or both numerator and denominator by 2, or next 3 4, then it is the equivalent fractions, like 2/3 multiply by 2, then it is 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Then again your first equivalent fraction is 4/6. Then another is 2/3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. This is the second equivalent fraction, and you can do like this: 2 3 multiply by 4 multiply by 5. These are the equivalent fractions. For take another examples: 3/4. 3/4 multiply by 2. Then 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Next 3 3s are 9, and 4 3s are 12. Now take like fractions. In this, like fractions are when two or more fractions having the same denominators. In this figures you can see all the squares are divided in 4 equal parts. Then their fraction is, denominator is 4. And you can see same denominators, 4 4 4. And in this, the shaded part is 1. In this shaded part is 2. In this shaded part is 3. Then these are the like fractions when you have the same denominators. Next is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are when two or more fractions with different denominators. Different denominators, like you can see here are 2 parts. Circle is divided in 2 parts. Then there is 2. And this circle is divided in 3 parts. Then it is 3. This circle is divided in 4 parts. Then the denominator is 4. Then shaded part is, here is 1, here is 2, and here is 3. When there are 2 or more fractions with different denominators, you can see here 2, 3 and 4. These are the unlike fractions when you have different denominators. Unit fractions. Unit fractions are those fractions having 1 as their numerators. Now you can see in all the figures, in this triangle, the triangle is divided in 2 parts. Then the denominator is 2. Square is divided in 4 equal parts. Then it is 4 in denominator. And the circle is divided in 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. Then the denominator is 3. And the shaded part in this triangle is 1. And in this square is also 1. And in this circle is also 1. Then these are called the unit fractions when we have 1 in the numerators. Next is proper fractions. Proper fractions are those when the numerator is less than denominator. Example, 2/5. More example is 3/7 or 5/9. These are the examples of proper fractions. Now improper fractions. Improper fractions are those numerator is greater than denominator. When their numerator is greater than denominator. Example like 9/7, or you can take another example 3/2, or you can say 5 by 3. These are the examples of improper fractions when numerator is greater than denominator. Now, mixed fractions. Mix of whole and a proper fraction is called mixed fractions. Example 2, 3 by 5. This is the example of mixed fraction. Or you can take another example 1, 2 by 3. These are the mixed fractions in which whole number and the proper fraction. Whole number and the proper fraction. These are the examples of mixed fractions. Now take another example. Take the example of ascending order. Now arrange in ascending order. These are the fractions. Now you will have to arrange in ascending order. Now firstly you can see here all the denominators are different. Then you will have to take the denominators LCM. Now LCM is 2, 3, 5, 5, 3. Then their LCM is, firstly you take 2. Nothing is there in the even number, then now 3, now there's 5, then the LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 is your LCM. Now take out the 2 15s are, then the 1 multiplied by 15, 3 10s are, 2 multiplied by 10, 5 6s are, then 3 multiplied by 6, 5 6s are, then it is also multiplied by 6, 3 10s are, it multiplied by 10, then 15, 1 15s are 15, 2 10s are 20, 3 6s are 18, 2 6s are 12, and 1 10s are 10. Then you can see here the ascending order is when the smallest to greatest. Then you can see here smallest is the 10. Then the 10 number is 1 by 3. Then 1 by 3 is the smallest one. And then 12. Then 2 by 6 is 2 by 5 is the greater than 1 by 3. Then 12, then 15. 15 is 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 5 and 1 by 3. Then it's 18, that is 3 by 5. Then it's 20, the biggest one is 2 by 3. And in this also example, you can see if you want to arrange in descending order, you will have to, descending order is the from the greatest to the smallest. Now you can see here, this is the greatest. When you reverse it, you will find the descending order. Now arrange in descending order. Now you can see here there are the numerators are the same and the denominators are different. Now if same numerator are there, then smaller denominator will be the greater fraction and the greatest numerator will be the smallest fraction. Now you can see here this is the smallest denominator here, then this is the greater one, and this is the greater, then this is the smallest one. Now you can arrange in descending order. Descending order means from greatest to smallest. Then this is the greater and this is the smallest. Then 1 by 9. Then you can see here which one is less than 9 is 7. Then 1 by 7. Then you can see 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 4. Then the greatest is the 1 by 2. Now take another example. In this, you can see all the numerators are different, but the denominators are same. In this, if same denominators are there, then small the numerator, the smaller is the fraction, and the greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. Now you can see it, if you have to arrange in descending order, then the descending order is from greater to smallest. Then this one is the greater, and the smallest is the smaller. Then 9 by 11 is greater, then 7 by 11, then 5 by 11, then 3 by 11. Now you can see here, if you want to show the ascending order, then you have to reverse it, this then the smallest from the greatest. This is the arranging of the ascending order. Now convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now you will see here, this is the improper fraction, and you will have to convert it into the mixed fraction. For mixed fraction, firstly we have to divide 13 by 7. 7 is the divisor, then 7 ones are 7. When we minus it, subtract it, then it is 6 remainder. Now you write in the mixed form, then the mixed form is, and you quotient, then here is the divisor, and here is the remainder. Then your answer is, quotient is 1, remainder is 6, and your divisor is 7. Your mixed fraction is this. Now, if you want to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, then there is the example 1 3 by 5 into improper fraction. Now you will have to do this. This is given like quotient, remainder, and divisor. Now if you want to convert it in improper fraction, then your divisor multiply by quotient, then add the remainder and divided by the divisor. Your denominator becomes the same, no change. Then your answer is, your divisor is 5, your quotient is 1, and your remainder is 3, and your divisor is 5. Then your answer is 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8 by 5. Then your answer is, mixed improper fraction is this. Adding like fractions. Like fractions are when their denominators are same. Then when you add fractions 17 by 13 and 5 by 33, that means 17 by 33 plus 5 by 33. Then you add 17 plus 5. Your answer will be 22 by 33. Same here, you can do like this. Same are the denominators are same. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. Your answer is 10 by 11. And subtract like fractions. Subtract, in subtracting, you can see here, this is the mixed fraction and this is the proper fraction. Then you will have to convert it into, firstly mix into improper fraction. Now you can see here, this is divisor, this is quotient, and this is the remainder. Firstly you will have to multiply. 9 ones are 9 plus 4 is 13, and minus 7 by 9. Now you will solve easily because the denominators are same, and 13 minus 7 is 6 by 9. Then your answer is 6 by 9.